Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? King of Swords with Six of Cups. You are thinking about this person a lot. You both have strong soulmate connection or past life connection with each other. Definitely a lot of thinking. Aquarius, you are thinking about them a lot. And King of Swords, I think you are very honest and straightforward in nature. Right now, you are thinking through your logical mind. Yes. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Chariot, Nine of Cups, and Nine of Swords. So I think for some you both are in separation or no contact situation between both of you. For some there are a lot of disturbances between you and your person. That's why you are feeling Nine of Swords energy, depression, anxiety. You are losing your your nights over them. Definitely you are thinking, a lot of thinking is going in your mind, and but you want to move on from this pain. You want to forget this pain. You are trying to forget this pain, and yes, at least you are trying, and you started moving in another direction, but it is you are in very slow moving the Cancer, but at least you are trying. And Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. Then present Two of Cups, Five of Wands, and Five of Cups. I think for some it could be third party situation. Third party means family or friends or another woman or man. Definitely there is some family issues or other third party situation involved in this connection. You are feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. Five of Cups, but love is mutual between both of you. Strong soulmate connection because Two of Cups, love is mutual, but one person is very committed, but one person is going through a lot in their life, like family problems, work pressure. Then future Queen of Pentacles, Three of Wands, and the Empress. You are very sharing and caring person, Aquarius. Now you are concentrating on your career. You want to focus in near future. You will focus on your career, and but you're still waiting on them. For some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, and you overcome this pain. Five of Cups to Empress. Definitely, you will overcome this pain. You are taking your control back, and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So Aquarius, their current feelings. Chariot, Two of Pentacles, Ace of Cups with Nine of Wands. For some, maybe your person right now guarded up, but they're thinking about you a lot. Why they are guarded up? Because they're juggling. Right now, they're confused. They have to make some decision, but your person is confused. Two of Pentacles. They are juggling, but they want to make a move towards you. But again, they are in very, very slow moving energy. Ace of Cups, but they do love you. Definitely, they have so much love towards you. Yes. Six of Swords. Maybe if you have issues between both of you, they want to fix the things between both of you, and this could be long distance relationship. So let's see their intentions. Aquarius. Four of Pentacles with Ten of Wands. I think your person right now going through a lot in their life. That's why they're not expressing the true feelings to you. For some, your person have option. They have to choose. For some, your person right now confused. And Six of Swords. Definitely they want to fix the things between both of you. And King of Swords. Right now they are thinking through their logical mind. And right now they're feeling overburdened. Yes, your person going through a lot. Maybe their feelings are overflowing. They want to share their feelings with you, but they are not expressing their true feelings to you. Yes, I think your person is juggling, your person is confused. Aquarius, but there is love. Definitely they love you. Ace of Cups is here, and they're in very very slow moving energy. Maybe they are juggling between their head over heart. They want one time they want to communicate, one time they are holding back. That type of situation I'm getting here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Six of Wands with Four of Wands. Yes, they want success in this connection. For some, you both are in some twin flame journey. Very, very few. And Nine of Swords, they are missing you. Definitely they are missing you. They're thinking about you. And they want success in this connection. And they want this happiness with you. But I think you are also feeling stuck sometimes when you are thinking about that person, but you are taking your control back. Queen of Wands energy. Now you are taking your control back, and Ace of Swords. You want clarity. You want truth. Yes, because you sometimes you feel confused because for some your person may be in and out of your life. There is no clarity, but you want clarity. Yeah, right now you both undergoing some transformation. You both are not talking with each other, but in near future there is a chance for communication with clarity. Definitely there is some communication is coming with clarity. Right now your person is also confused. Definitely they do love you, but they are in very very slow moving energy, Aquarius. So no contact situation. For some there is separation, but they want success in this connection. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Age differences, family issues, I realized my mistake, twin flames, stability is coming, and trust issues. So the messages are age differences, family issues, I realized my mistake, twin flame, stability is coming. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. For some there is age differences, for some family issues, they realize their mistake, twin flames, and stability is coming. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. It's time to take action, new moon in Aries. Don't let pride get in your way, full moon in Leo. If they communicate with you, if they reached out, then don't show your ego or don't show your pride or attitude. Sometimes it will break the relationship, and it's time to take action. So if you are feeling that you have to take action, for some it is the message for you. It's time to take action, especially when new moon in Aries. This is full moon in Leo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.